it was a very beautiful journey with Miles. The experience was superb. I mean, the response they give from the beginning till the end, it's very prompt, and you really appreciate their support. I'm Maulin Patel. I am from Canada. My friend was already studying at Miles, so I just interacted with him, and he told me about Miles, and I just inquired about it, and I found it interesting. So I just went ahead with Miles. I found out that online is much convenient because you can watch videos at any time. You can do your practice anytime, and as the exam was already online, so being taught online was a much better way, so that you can get adjusted to the online real-time exam experience. Online videos were fantastic. The way Varun sir delivered the videos, it was superb. I mean, he taught in a practical way along with entertaining. It was super enjoyable experience studying with him, and the fact that he teaches all the four subjects, you get used to it. Highlighting that he makes us to do, it's one of the best thing, because that helps really a lot during your last revision just before few days of the exam. So highlighting portion was the best thing. Other than that, the mnemonic that he gives, which were very helpful in the exam. CPA matlab miles.